Have you been looking for a city compact sedan with space for everyone? Take a look at this 2015 Kia Optima EX in dark cherry. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, turn signal indicator mirrors, 17-inch aluminum wheels, remote keyless entry, leather trimmed seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, dual zone temp control, 6 premium speakers, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3132C.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.